Ghana ne de baby amaya memu na koduro no hwe ne do nyame tie se ahemfo wo Ghana kwa nto abanna mo ne MPP a NDC besa woni election o pa fa ballot box no si ho otumfo meto gama che meto se hwehine meto ahwehine meto MPP ni repeat as one kind of nzuru me se o pa fa ballot box no si ho MPP ni NDC ni yenya ahemfo wo Ghana ina line yewu asante ni bi kan gama che nto aso amba hina kai na ansala MPP besa nzuru mo pa ye
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so Bofreme Adwoa searching. Ebusafo ensema Captain Smart Ekin. Oye NDC ni kwa na wo a ubobefu. Na kantum NPP for mu 8 Captain Smart, wo wadwen ya adwuma. And you see Ghana hanom no. Bon so obekọ Captain Smart in the comment section as in nkrofo if any say genuine journalist ona wo kan kwaro na wo do Ghana Captain Smart do Ghana woni ma Captain Smart ena okọ commander sugar factory no wo de Ghana yesika esiesi wono no Captain Smart ekoto sugar o makola de soya be kire Ghana say John Dramani Mahama ewie Commander Sugar Factory no, they produce sugar. Commander Sugar Factory is one of my machines in say. Captain Smart, also then send the year to a bar a him for 4. Omo be den. Omo be sala akotwa ma NDC for. Now visa a him for no omo fie no omo adwen adwuma. Anasa also a him for no mo agini. Sebio ohim bia o te akonwa so omo ama na wa share. Etia konwa so including sa ahemfa kesefo na abobom mudin no obia ni nyansa o obia ni nyansa obia eya analysis e wo obia na membu and sa ahemfo na abobom mudin ahemfo kese na abobom mudin no in fact from 2012 to 2016 no obote Ghana hanu ya no omu hu amembu a John Dramani Mahama bu na ahemfo ya abobom mudin kra meme ya sure say 2024 year to abana Ghana for eji boom tie NDC for echi no titiri pa John Dramani Mahama ebe lead no na sa ahemfo omo tifie etifie e ka se na Ghana for nto omo niminyansa ana omo agini
inti Bawumia ne Kramai contesting na Ghana for choose a dog just obre Kramai friend just obre so nyame adomache nyame na ehwe a dog like that people will choose that dog over Bawumia on any day when they are put together, they are put on the ballot box. These are facts.
Ese NDC wo Ghana ne de baby amaya memu na koduro no hwe ne do nyame tie se ahemfo wo Ghana kwa nto abanna mo ne MPP a NDC besa woni election o pa fa ballot box no si ho otumfo meto gama che meto se hwehine meto ahwehine meto MPP ni repeat as one kind of nzuru me se o pa fa ballot box no si ho MPP ni NDC ni yenya ahemfo wo Ghana ina line yewu asante ni bi kan gama che nto aso amba hina kai na ansala MPP besa nzuru mo pa me yes say constitution any referendum so on to aba MPP belusu obey 98.9% me na catch you wo pass CA ye kase senior high school for pen beto aba no okroma me for ballot box ni ko see apam secondary school ni de na me ba me 25 and we
according to Ayeka Vintela o say wo de Kramai si ho wo de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si ho a Ghana for beto aba e de ama Kramai no over Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na adwenkyere no. According to Captain Smart, Osisi says Ghana for oba beto aba. Na se President John Dramani Mahama si opese okobiem. Na wo de President John Dramani Mahama si wo. O de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so si ho a. Ghana for beto ama President John Dramani Mahama over Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is good. Na adwene no. But question me person me bisa Captain Smart. Question me person me bisa NDC communicators. Question me person me bisa Kevin Taylor ne say. Edian pa na second coming of President John Dramani Mahama. Edian no waba be yama Ghana for be hwe so adina so ato aba. Edian ma President John Dramani Mahama. Say sisi a Ghana for ba be to aba. Let us be fair. Yanka ne kure. Ema Ghana ni bia. Yan tetire o man ni ye. Enye wo selfishness, enye wo personal interest, enye wo yefunu na wo de ye politics. Na wo pe Ghana mpuntu wo pe Ghana yi a Ediempa na President John Dramani Mahama ne second time ni a wabayi. Ediempa na wababa yama Ghana fo a eliti Ghana fo betimi agina so de ato abade ama President John Dramani Mahama over Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Question person be bisa no. Menye madre say me ba beka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho asem. Because I mean no wo power no. Wa mama wan see the kwasa me fanto de ani ndi. Inti menye madre say meka no ho asem. But you say you pe Ghana, you pe say Ghana etu mpon a. No matter what, na NDC government beba bontin aba be som Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Me na meka kire. Because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or mayor president or your vice, but there why you ma Ghana for no hu. NDC for vice president be anywhere. Why you adwuma 10 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? A man na President John Dramani Mahama vice or your vice president. NSC Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia vice president. President John Dramani Mahama be vice president no. Policy bay at the end of the bar or the better Ghana for one Ghana for benefit. Young fa JJ vice and tonting. Young fa I President John Dramani Mahama the vice were young fan and tonting. Nay young fat miss vice I President John Dramani Mahama. Or be vice president Emma at a mess for 3 years. Emma be ru yan or better as this is our power. 8 years in ye. And the President John Dramani Mahama then echo. NSC ano. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia vice president. On your president. But the vice president no. She no more diku akwamu edema Ghana for. Yan sha de wa ha. Your friend be Ghana card. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia your vice president no. Ni nyanse mu no create Ghana card. Ghana card is so fast one in anything. As so fast one me ba be bo akire wo no. Se wo kita Ghana card. Na wo obi man so a. Na wo kita passport. Na wo pese wo ba Ghana. Wo betime use Ghana card no. E dia ba Ghana. With that airport no embisa passport. When me and your mapa. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia your vice president odigu akwamu ma Ghana for. So no to nchen. Your friend be mobile banking. Mobile banking no e so fast one in anything. First no na wo abrochi a wontimi nsani obi sika emfa phone so mfa megu obi phone so e wo Ghana ha. Ansa na wo be sani obi sika from abrochi to Ghana no. Ati se wo sani to Eco Western Union. Na Ghana ni na akwaje e wo Western Union. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba be vice president no. Ni nyansa mu ni nimdie mu no. E no di mobile banking ba ye. Sa mobile banking no. O wa abrochi. Wotimi transfer sika. Ade ma wu nua na sa wo maame ana wo hu nimpa e wo Ghana ha. Nti mobile banking no. E so fa so no. Eno no ne nioma pa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di gu akwamu e de ma Ghana fo. Ade e chato e prepaid meter app. Prepaid meter app we e so fa so ne say. E so fa so ne say. First no, so we prepaid credit ne sa. Ade se wa for prepaid card. Ananti akọ prepaid agent ho. Akọ prepaid. Ansa na wa ba fia be loadi. Ena Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne nyansa mu no. O create prepaid app say download to phone so. And now say you should star 170. Now prepaid ne sa. Na you should not factor be instant. Set away a wontimi nante enko prepaid agent. Enko nkoto. So prepaid meter app. When an so dear Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e dia bre Ghana for a minimum just 8 years vice president or mayor president. Sreme president. Sreme vice a one more ba. Sreme NDC for vice a one more be dear minus one more boy juma. I change Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Hey, NDC men condemn me. NDC men damn me. Because what damn me? Me the 3 months. If you go NDC kuono, me na me catch now. Say what damn me? Na me start say me ba beka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho nsem. Ya the 3 me the 3 months me shawbo. Me the 3 months be go NDC kuono. Because ye chechire oman. Ye ncheche political party. So obi aba wa ba be ye vice president no wa bo adwuma. Ma ye mo na ba so. NDC for vice president no. One na agbo adwuma. Achen Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. Eti common vice president. Now the nyoma way e dey go kwamu e dey magana for. What about so beba be president? Yay! Me sa so aka kire o share video we ma me. Share video we ma me. Me sa so aka kire o say we ye Ghana ni. Na wo pese wo sua how we yesitwi excavator there. No need dey midi aye Global Institute of Mines and Safety. Ho adanse e dey amaw. One mo number ni na egu screen ni so no. Frɛ na konya ntete ye pa efiri wo mo ase. Wonya ho ko hye mu na opportunities na ewo mu no dɔɔso. Se wo pese wo ye utwi excavator e wo mines mu ana road so dia. Midi aye Global Institute of Mines Safety and Safety ho adanse e dey amaw. Sa company we, sa school we, aye nice oba timi kobi, be ma timi kobi. Opportunities so ewo mu no dɔɔso. Uwo mu hia na mines bi aba abefa o se be ye adwuma o mines. Uwo mu hia na contractor bi aba abefra o se bra na betwi ne contractor ayi excavator fama no. One mo number na the screen so no. Frɛ na nyantete ye pa.
Ghana Hana from 2012 to 2016 that doom so now. Yes, I doom so na for 1 month and 1 year and 2 years so. Back to back. 2012 back to back to 2016 because 2013 me na was secondary school. 2013 na was secondary school ya ba be school. Na ya ba be school ni ya light. En fe nsua de. Na yen plant so mo so ya sisi ana petrol se diesel na asanti omo ntumi ntoni bebre sa. Into to prep be 1 minute no we do light na se okoda. Ti yembi isi no kwa bebe ye fail kwa la yedum so. John Dramani Mahama tena Ghana konja so dum so kulase amanfu dwuma amanfu wo hospitals apefo omo jomo awo light dundu mo from shenku betem omo wi report e by dum so damage be cause Ghana force dianti yo na mo kofa John Dramani Mahama ba na wo Captain Smart na wo TV so kan kwase aseme kire ye no wo Captain Smart no wo kotena dem anadwo na ka wonkwa na wo da wo sumisu na wo dwunya wono ukodia ballot box obeto aba ma NDC John Dramani Mahama his excellence na membu yo obu wo Captain Smart obetimi ahwe nyame anim se adwuna adwuna wonko a woda ho na enema efa wotiri ma obeto aba de ama John Dramani Mahama his excellence John Dramani Mahama eye president wontwa tewu anya hwe yi school yi blocks o se den schools office o sisi nwurem o sisi nwurem ena kwan ya oye efa na egu green book him 10 penny stay. He says John Dramani Mahama Potna Kofi TV interview so e catch there Kofi TV say from Kaswa to Amasama kwan waye. Enso me makwa akotena obeyeye da. Nti me obeyeye me kọ Kaswa me nkofa ablekuma me for obeyeye straight to Kaswa. Asala jaw se hia akokosi Kaswa kwan no. He says John Dramani Mahama so waye. If you from Kaswa bakakra na do waye na from Asalaja ba bridge bi o ho akokopena masama no he says John Dramani Mahama so ye you I wo green book no ji hu skedi you enso from obeye to amasama wo de wo se mebo a faka from amasama na be sen kwa Kaswa kwan na John Dramani Mahama so ye no enso ye Ghana ha na NPP now se ya bodame na and ye to abendi offense Dr. Bawumia 25% impo no na Dubai na region 10 regions obetse 6 ka ho na 16 Kelvin Taylor Captain Smart so also we journalist we credible la faka na ko 16 regions 10 regions na obetse 6 ka ho na 16 ko bisa every region be assess na nado and for development and ko sa region so one na me nko de metimi edi western north ho adanse western north from Enchi to Dadeaso, a big secondary school, Dadisco. Dadeaso kwano. I bisa omo mufi Western North nese na private car fasoda. I bisa omo mufi Western North nese from Elibo to Enchi a private car fasoda. Na me ya bofra me ma meti Western North those days na se ya makwana me kosa me ma me take aso na kia na load nipa be 500 e na asan so afa niama kia na afa niama egwadifu niama nyina kia na afa e na yetete so nipa be 500 tete kia so na kia no tumi kosenya nti se wentintima nipa bra no from enchi to elibo to enchi na nado dankwa akufu ado na mo so ye evil no na nado sa kwan no kra bisa so ko hu ne he sa kwan no kwan na brefo akoso akwakọ akotwada bisa sa na nado ko hu kwan no wo he aka na nado eye ende na nado atumi atwa kwan na eji botesa private car tumi fa so minim na ya covid-19 ba ya mo ntimi so mo sika san yo se de mo ntimi aye anka na nado hwenyame anim aye from elibo to enchi ado gagai now so ni say western north o de aponti ko gina ho se na NDC atare mpomato am NDC abanga sa ntafo na ba ko NDC ba ko MPP no omo ye schoolmate me omo anko school ba ko ba dia my schoolmate omo ko king of kings wo boy so me so me ko boy so die bisa abanga no de wo NDC ni say so wo de NDC atare akosha ponchi so omo ntu NDC western of NDC stronghold now so NPP neba wakokoyo enchi to dade so kwan from Enchikra to from Asankregwa to Enchikra say nanado na me sure so ye you I think so from Asankregwa to Enchi nanado na eye kwan no nanado pension oye ohene babu ama na ot radio so a ti na ne ya fry say the wabonu bia no kobra mi ta kando so mo fi serioso e ho na menya secondary school but menti mi anko na me ba wo central region inti minim serioso pa serioso mo bi sa kobra mi ta kando say serioso but ni ote say mu NDC fu wakasa na mu nya no akasa wo captain smart wo ye journalist no wotumi bie wa no say woto aba ma NPP na say wo declare so ye NPP na ye bodamfo wo ye jimefo pa wo captain smart you are the most stupid person you are the most stupid journalist wa bagana ha ye na ye ka kiro because so what they also support NDC support NDC obi anu ni asem but you dare not insult obi or person support NPP at the national health insurance aba NPP at the free maternal care aba NPP at the almighty free SHS aba hia ni baby akobi na do be ye president bisa free SHS e wo Ghana ha say 1000 free SHS how many free SHS wo Ghana ha bisa say na every year bia na do ntu na dem si ni nko secondary school bia nko bisa say dey na hia omo na omeye omo a bisa me secondary school am call the last time am call almost every year bia every time bia na do to obofo ko ho so omo dormitory na say so omo lab na say dey na omo hia computer lab dey obeka say obi o support party we no oye dey jimefo na 2028 2020 whatever yet to aba Dr. Bawumia enyam yensampo ofu woto so Ghana card unni na wo se no mo de brel mo de mo se mo agim na mo Ghana ha na mo pese yedi bo atem mo koso na atem so ye bedi na mo abachi abatu peni to say wa we journalist TV so say yenkwa attack shop right na MTN wo e na obeka kire gen say una wo koka kire boasefo youth NDC fo buy say omo ye campaign NDC to omo kwa attack mines na ho no omo kobo wo tukun won kwa. A person like this, you still have the nerves to sit on radio to talk rubbish. And a Ghana for Sebia Jimmy Funibin so a follow. Oh,